Welcome to Mentalacto. Today we are going to discuss viral genome replications, that how different viruses replicate in the host cell. So basically, before we start the viral genome replication, we will just suppose that this sequence, if the this sequence AUGC AUGC will be the sequence we will consider positive polarity, and that is for the RNA, because in the RNA we see the presence of the uracil. Okay, but on the other hand, if this sequence is present like ATGC, now this is, we also consider the positive polarity. Okay, but this is for the DNA viruses. So these are basically the supposed nucleotide sequence. Okay, if this sequence is present, in which you see the presence of uracil, that is the positive for the RNA. If this sequence, that is the thymine replaced by the uracil, this sequence is for the DNA viruses. Okay, if we start here, we categorize the virus into two, that is the RNA virus and the DNA virus. Okay, RNA virus we further categorize on the basis of the number of the strand, double stranded RNA and the single stranded RNA. Okay, first of all, if we discuss the double stranded RNA, in the double stranded RNA you will see the both polarity, positive polarity and the negative polarity strand. So if you see here, first of all, I'll write it here. Here is basically A U G C. Now this is the positive polarity RNA. Okay, and on the opposite sides, here is the U A C G. Now this is the negative, opposite complementary system. Like in the RNA, you will see the A is just opposite to the U and the G is just opposite to the C. Now this is actually the complementary system. Okay, so in that situation, we suppose that this nucleotide sequence is actually the positive AUGC. Okay, now opposite A opposite U, that's the same. U opposite A, that is similar. AG, or you can say CG. Okay, here is basically double stranded RNA. Okay, from the double stranded RNA, you will see the formations of, first of all, you will see from the negative strand of the double stranded RNA, you will see the formations of the, here is the formations of the, if I write it here, this one. Now from the negative, you will see the formations of the positive strand. So A is opposite to, U is opposite to the A, U, C, G and G, C. Now this is actually the positive RNA, positive strand RNA. Okay, now this is actually the single strand. Okay, from this part, positive polarity RNA, you will see the formations of the double stranded RNA. Okay, in that case, you will see, after that, you will see it will convert into the positive. Here is the AUGC, that is the positive. Okay, and on the opposite sides, you will see the formations of the UACG. Now this is negative. That's why this is now called the double stranded RNA. Okay, so that's the main process. From the double stranded RNA, it will first form this positive strand RNA. Okay, single stranded. After that, it will convert into the double. And the double stranded RNA example, most important, is the reovirus. Reovirus is examples of the double stranded RNA. This is how reovirus replicates its genome. Okay, next is the single stranded RNA. From the single stranded, we divide it into two, positive polarity and the negative polarity. Okay, In the positive polarity, we see the two groups. Okay, one is for the exception. So in the positive, you see the FPTC. Okay, F for Flavivirus family, Picorna, P for Picorna, T for Toga, and C for Corona. All these family actually contain the positive single-stranded RNA. And retrovirus also contain the positive polarity single-stranded RNA. Okay, but there is an exception in case of retro. So similarly, if you see here, this is actually AUGC. Now this is the positive polarity sequence of the RNA. Okay. From the positive, it will first convert into the negative. Okay. After that, it will first of all convert into the negative polarity RNA. So A is just opposite to the U. Okay. U is opposite to the A. They are both interchangeable. G, C, and C, G. Now this is the negative strand RNA. This is the negative strand. Okay. From the negative strand, now this strand will act as a template for the formations of the positive polarity RNA. So after that, you will see this will act as a template and form the several copies of the genome, like A, U, A, A, U, C, G, and G, C. AUGC. Now this is the positive polarity. Okay, now this is just similar to the parent RNA. So now, first of all, in Flavipicorna, Toga, Corona, first of all, positive polarity, it will first convert into the negative polarity. Then negative polarity RNA act as a template and form the several copies of the, similarly, several copies of the AUGC positive polarity RNA. Now, this is how these family replicate the viral genome. Retrovirus, there is an exception in the retrovirus. Okay, if you see here in the retrovirus, you will see similar the positive strand RNA. Okay, AUGC. Now this is the positive. Okay, first of all, this is actually the RNA. This is actually the RNA. Okay, from the RNA, it will first convert into the DNA. Okay, okay, it will first form DNA. So in the DNA, you will see the replacement of the thymine from the uracil. So actually, A opposite will be the T, not U. That's the exception case. Okay, U, that is the A, G, C, and C, G. Now this is the strand of the DNA, negative polarity strands of the DNA. Okay, from the negative strands of the DNA, it will act as a template and form the positive polarity DNA, A, T, G, C. Now this is the positive strand. So actually in the DNA, you will see the A is just opposite to the T and G is opposite to the C. Now this is the complementary system in case of DNA. Okay, just replacements of the uracil with the thymine. Okay, so in that situation, now this is the double stranded DNA, positive and the negative. Okay, after that, negative polarity of the DNA will act as a template and it will form the positive polarity RNA. So if you see here, in this case, here after that, so here is the system. Now T is just opposite to the A. Here is the A. Now here is the A. A is opposite to T. But now this is the RNA. Now this is the RNA. We cannot replace the T. We will replace it by the uracil. Okay. And C is replaced by the G and G is replaced by the C. Now this is just similar to the previous one, that is the positive polarity single stranded RNA. Now this is case of retrovirus. There is an exception in the retrovirus. It is single stranded RNA. It will first convert it to the double stranded DNA, and from the negative strand of the double stranded DNA, it act as a template and form the RNA. positive polarity. There is an exception in case of retroviruses. Okay, next is the negative polarity. So in the negative polarity, you will see the orthomyxovirus, paramyxovirus, and the rhabdovirus. Okay, OPR, ortho, para, and rhabdo. So basically, in that case, you will see here is the case, that is the UACG. Now this is the negative polarity RNA. Okay, that is UACG. Okay, from the negative, it will first convert into the positive. It will first convert into A is of U is opposite to the A, U, C, G, and GC. Now this is the positive polarity RNA. Okay, AUGC is actually the positive, but we require the negative because parent is negative polarity. So after that, now this positive polarity act as a template and form the several copies of the negative. That is the UACG. Now this is the negative polarity. So in case of negative, from negative it will convert into the positive, and after positive will act as a template and form the several copies of the negative strand. So this is how negative RNAs replicate. So if we move forward, that is the DNA virus. So DNA again virus, double stranded DNA and the single stranded DNA. So in the double stranded DNA, if you see here, here is the double stranded ATGC. Now this is the positive polarity and here is the negative, that is the TACG. This is the negative. Now this is the double stranded DNA. Positive and the negative both will be present in them. Okay. After that, both strands separates. Here is the case. Both strands separate. Here is the ATGC and here is the TACG. Okay. After that, nucleotides will add opposite to each strands. Okay. Here is A will opposite to the T, A, C, G, and here is the A, T, G, C. Now both positive and the negative, positive and the negative strand will form. That is the semi-conservative. Both strand will separate positive and the negative. You will see from the positive strand will act as a template and form the negative strand. And on the opposite side, negative strand will act as a template and form the positive strand. So now you will see this is actually the semi-conservative method of the replications of the DNA. Okay. But there is an exception in case of hepatitis B. So here are basically the different viruses like the adenovirus, papovavirus, pox virus, and you can say herpes virus. These viruses actually replicate through this method. But there is an exception in case of hepatitis B virus. So basically hepatitis B virus is actually the double-stranded DNA. It will first form the RNA. Okay, positive. After that, it will form the double-stranded DNA. So here is an again exception in case of hepatitis B virus. So basically two exception in case of retrovirus, in case of hepatitis B virus. Okay. Next is the single-stranded DNA, and the most important example is the parvovirus, parvovirus B19. So here, if you see here, that this is the, if I say ATGC, now this is the positive polarity single stranded DNA. Okay, it will first form the negative, that is TACG, complementary system. A opposite to T, T, A, G, C, C, G. Okay, now this is the negative, and after that it will form the positive polarity strands. Okay, that is, here is the case ATGC. Now this is the positive. So that's the similar case. First of all, positive polarity DNA single stranded, it will first form the double stranded DNA, and after that the positive strand will act as a template and form the again ATGC, positive polarity single stranded DNA. If there is a negative strand, then it will form the negative. That's first of all single stranded convert into double stranded DNA. After that it will convert into the again single stranded DNA, that is the parental genome of the parvovirus bean. So this is how different DNA and the RNA virus genome replication happens in the host cell. If you still have any question, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.